Hi, I'm Cherokee.
And I'm Mike.
And tonight we're going to show you some of the applications on the iPhone App Store, as well as some of the top 25 applications on the iPhone Store, on the season finale of Terrible Things. Now, in this episode of Terrible Things, we got to download some of the newer apps and some of the top 25 apps from the Apple iPhone Store. One of the apps that we got to download was the Talking Tom Cat app. It's kind of hard to say. Okay, so the Talking Tom Cat is basically an application that basically you talk into the iPhone and this guy listens for what you're going to say.
Smell my boat. When my owner's out of town, I'm gonna piss all over their lawn. I'm a little bisexual. That's not good. Very bisexual. Oh gosh. Anyone got a roofie?
Alright, but it also does these other things, like, it does have, like, this little dog comes up behind him and does some weird stuff. Die! Now, the Talking Tom app is, it's pretty fun, if you're bound around on a bunch of people, but it's something you're not going to use like an everyday app. You're not going to sit there like on an airplane and then have your friend,
I wish I could be a robot or GLaDOS from, Portal 2. It's like, hello.
Alright, but our next app we have on the list is Infinity Blade. Now, Infinity Blade is a newer type of style 3D engine game. It's amazing. It's probably one of the biggest medieval games on the market.
I like how it really does push the processor and makes use of the full power of the iPhone 4.
Alright, so basically Infinity Blade, you are this character and you're trying to avenge your father's death. Now, at the beginning of the game, you you have to battle like the very end boss, the very first, and it's kind of like your training guide. But as you can see, the graphics on here are amazing. It's, wow. I mean, seriously, like, there's lens flares for the sun, and you have this guy up here, this little asshole trying to guard the bridge, but you can go ahead and fight him. Now, I have already leveled up my character quite a bit, but the gameplay is ridiculous, and the graphics are just amazing. He hit me. Ow. Oh, I'm not very good anymore. Shit.
I thought you were leveled up.
I am leveled up. I haven't played in like 2 days. Yeah, superpowers.
Get him!
Superpowers.
Holy crap, what is that guy holding?
A giant.
I love that. But yours is spiked.
It's a spiky sword of doom. Right? Yeah, health.
I shall conquer you.
Yeah, take that. Come on. Yeah, finishing bonus.
Evil thing.
Victory.
I shall conquer you and inhabit your body. Take that. Ugh.
Now, Infinity Blade is definitely probably one of the more fun games I played on the iPhone. The playability is amazing, the graphics are awesome, and just overall an amazing game. But now probably one of the most amazing games I've ever found on the iPhone is Pet Hotel! Yes! Okay, so basically what the Pet Hotel, what you have to do is you have to collect the little coins, which I've already... basically what you do is you build your hotel. You can build these different rooms. You have like the dog rooms that you can build, and then you also have panda rooms and other dragon rooms and stuff. Burst it, yeah.
Yes.
But whenever you build the rooms, you get more money the more pets and however long they hang out in there. And basically, there's no way to really lose this game.
Can you kill the pets? I just want to drop one from really high point.
I wish you could. I actually wish that there was a way you could have a pet testing lab in your pet hotels where you can just spray the pets with hairspray and stuff.
Everything I do just helps the pet.
Look, you got a camel.
Oh boy.
Now there's a camel.
So I just touched the screen a whole bunch, and it's just doing all these pets a service somehow.
Yeah. Look, even Gizmo wants in the pet hotel.
Come on, buddy, come on. All the animals are waiting for you. Oh, wait.
Why can't you give me money when I tap on you?
They're all full up, buddy. You're not getting in.
Go away.
Oh. So, Pet Hotel, I think it caters a lot more to children, a lot more of the Angry Birds crowd, but I still liked it. It's fun.
Definitely.
So we're going to take a bit of a break for some of the summer. This is our season finale, but don't worry, during our break we're going to be researching new products, of course, fast food, And we're also going to be opening our views up to a few more things like movies, more video game reviews. So I think it'll be exciting.
Definitely, and we're also going to have a new technology portion. So whenever things come out, you're gonna pretty much get the scoop on what's new.
All right, well, be sure and comment, subscribe, and we'll soon be out with some bloopers, maybe some behind-the-scenes stuff. So anyways, take care for the next Terrible Things.
Bye, guys.
Bye.